The last experiment will be on carboxylic acids. This is the procedure. So there are 3 parts. One is solubility in water. The second is reaction with 10% sodium bicarbonate solution. And the third is action of oxidizing agent. So for 1 and 2, you have the same set of samples: acetic, oleic, stearic, succinic, and benzoic. If it is a liquid sample, about 3 drops and 3 ml of the solvent. And if it is a solid sample, about that same amount, a pinch amount of the solid sample. Okay, so observe if they dissolve in water. And in the same manner, observe also how they react with sodium bicarbonate solution, whether they dissolve or not, or whether they produce bubbles. Yung last part is you use 5 ml of the potassium permanganate solution and 5 drops of the sample. We have here 5 samples: acetic, formic, lactic, oxalic, and succinic. Now, oxidizing agent. So you would know if there is a reaction because the color of the potassium permanganate disappears. Okay, so take note of reduction in the permanganate color. Heat the solution to boiling and note if there is any reduction in the permanganate color.